Hello, back to Feed Beast Family. Today I'm going to be working on getting some pink slime. I need to make this guy here, and I need some pink slime. They figure I don't know what all you can use for pink slime. Just make a few tools or whatever, but I need that. So I'm going to use this spawner. I got it on peaceful now, and I got to make a slaughterhouse. That'd be the first thing we make. I got plastic. We might need that. Alright, we're gonna need a stack of that. And we're gonna need some sticks. And we're gonna need some iron. Okay. So, and we're gonna need some tin. So I think we need 110 gear. We're gonna need two of these guys. We're gonna make the two swords. Then we need some glass. Put that there. These on the corner. And then glass around it. Machine frame. Then what else we need to start? We need some plastic and a gear and a receptacle. We need one of these. I need to organize this a little better so I don't have to run everywhere just getting everything. Got two of them. And we're going to need that gear. Piece of iron. So it's like that. With these up top. I think these two here. The frame. I know I missed something on the corners now. What am I missing? The two axles get out of here. Two pieces of plastic up top. And then this guy. Alright, so we're going to install this. And then we're going to have to make the auto spawner. So let's go down here. Then I'm going to use this area. Where am I? Oh, I'll use one of them axes, didn't I? Huh. Well, let me use it. That's good. Okay, I want to come down here. Even with that should be fine. Let's see if that's where it needs to be. Nope. Get my wrench. Let's wrench it. There we go. Leave it there. So chop a little bit of this up. See what I want to put these guys at. Let's see. Let me get my shovel. So we can't have these pipes touching. So we come right out the back of it. Maybe right in here. So come off, I can get the pipe out. Let's see what it looks like. I made a diamond pipe that we're gonna need. Let's put that on there. So if I come out, let me get my fluid pipe. I should have grabbed it while I was in there. If I get my fluid pipe and I put I could set one of them here. Do a little maneuver in here. We're going to bring one out the backside. We're getting one block over so we don't. Should use my shovel. So we put one there. We have one there. Let me get out of here. We're gonna need to get some sort of power, so maybe right here. So what do I got? That's fluid. Could have used that. Now I might not be able to bypass the. There we go. That's what we need. We can use this because it's come right off the top of it. Straight up. Alright, let's go get that sucker some power. Let's get in the bag. We need one of these guys. Medium volt. I think we're done with that for now. And we're going to need some wire. Right in the middle of the floor is a place to put it to. Let's see if we can connect here. Oh yeah. And let's see if we have power for it. Oh yeah. So we got power now. So we're going to use the witches for meat. First we got to get something going here. I don't think they'll spawn on that, but they will right there. I don't think they'll spawn on the plate, but they'll spawn right there. Let's put this back. Put this back. And then that should work. Okay. Let's make some, man, I feel like I'm drunk. Let's make some tanks. One. Then two. So I'm going to leave this one set. Matter of fact, I'm just going to break that one off the back for now. And let's see what happens. Put it on hard. Let's see. There's the meat. So we need to get a bucket of meat. Yeah, we need 2 buckets. And it's going to take a little while to get it. So we just check out this slaughterhouse, and we just need to make this guy another word. Is that what it was? Yep, another word. Maybe one of these guys. Man, he's down close. Receptacle, 2 emeralds. Ooh, emeralds. Do I have any emeralds? I know I got some. Ooh, gonna barely cut this one. Machine frame. Get 2 blazes. And Schmitz with a coil. Or receptacle, wherever we got 2 of these. And then we're going to need one of these. We're going to need 10 gear. Piece of iron in the middle. Then we're going to need a frame. And 4 pieces of iron. We got the frame. Up, and we need 2 pieces of slime. I know I got a couple around. Oh, I already had it on my inventory. 2 slime. Okay. Did I make that coil? Nope, it didn't make the coil. Now we should have everything. Then the frame, these 2 guys, 2 pieces of plastic, and then the wart. Let's see, we'll just put it right here for now. So straight in with that. Then we'll run this over. Get it some power. Alright, now it's juiced up. We got enough for what we need. Nope, not yet. Might be like 1,200. So we're going to need to make something else. We need to make the gun. There's 2 pieces of plastic. Alright, we need 2 of these. 2 of these. Iron, plastic, we got all that. 1 of these. Let's go and put this together. These 2 pieces of iron and the redstone. And then we need to make that one's single use only. Single use only. Reusable. Ugh. I do got a tier. I think I got maybe 2. We need 2, need 1. Yeah, I died in another getting quartz. Let's see. And 4 of these. Then it's here. Okay, let's see if we can get a bucket of meat. We got a bucket of meat. So we go into here. And that's But green, we're going to put the bucket of meat in green. I see some pink in there. Let's hook up our fluid. So the pink should go here. So let's bust all this off and repipe it. Well, that just looked like it just sent a bunch of crap around that way. Wait, that's something you can't. See, it's got meat in there. So if there ain't any more. Fruit. Which is going to spawn. With my other tank. Let me put it right there. And now we have some pink coming through. There we go. On our way to getting where we need to be. Just fill this in. Ain't this time just for a little bit, be temporary use. Well, getting a little clogged up here. Alright, so this is going to take a while. Only got 100, so I'm going to pause it and let these monsters or these witches die. And we'll get some pink and some meat. So I'll be right back as soon as it fills up. Okay, I'm back. Man, that took a while. It took at least 20 minutes to get a bucket. It takes 1,000 to get a bucket. And you can see how much meat compared to the big slime is. Alright, so what we're going to do is, I think we want to lock and load our gun. I think it's shift click. And then we just pour this on the ground. Ooh, don't go over and open the door. Then we want to get him and just lay down. Alright, the next thing we want to do is it's not going to spine thing because it needs some XP. Let's go ahead and get some. First make sure it ain't around here or something. Right up there. Creeper, where you at? That's where I need the ground. Shit, no. Didn't quite want that to happen. Well, might as well just pick it up. Ain't got a whole lot in there. I'm not gonna have to. Yep, I'm going to have to pump it in there somehow. Let's see. Get up. Okay, we need that. This. One of these. Let me how I did that. And then one of these. So I think if we put that here. that one here. Let me put that should start pumping it in. Why ain't no going in? Should be going in. Let me pause this. Let me see what's going on with this. Okay, I'm back. We have turned into essence. So I made a sewer. And then I'm just going to throw this lever on here. It should fall into the sewer and turn into essence. And there's the essence. Now let's see if we can get something going here. Good thing you can break the tank. So still going to have to pump it in there. So I'm going to have to put my wooden pipe down. And Redstone engine. Lever. And then let's see if it works. There we go. I put the pink slime in there. Now just gotta wait for it to start spawning. There we go. So got 2 out of that one. Where you at? He's got a hat on. Got 1 out of that one. Let's see if we get another one. So we need 9 to make that stand still. Oop, one more. This should be it. And you know what? That was just enough. Just enough, because we ain't got nothing left, and I got just 9. All this work just to make see where you at. This guy right here, all this work just to make this. So we need to make it into a block. And then cook it. All this work. Just for that. So that's how you get the pink slime. That's how you get the essence. This is the sewer. I put the little, what's that? So the XP shower in there. And when I go to make a mob farm, I'll have to use a sewer, I guess, instead of that vacuum thing right there. I'll put the sewer underneath it. So that's the pink slime. Thanks for watching.